Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become an AI influencer on ChatGPT, I guess. So you're going to enter this basically prompt first on ChatGPT, and you're going to insert that brand's logo. I'm just going to insert this brand I just created. It's just very random. I'm just going to add the logo there in quotation marks because it's not real, but you're going to enter this prompt and you're going to let ChatGPT generate that image for you, and I'll be right back once it's done. Once you're done, you're going to basically download that image of your product. Go to halo.ai. I don't have credits right now, but you're going to select this prompt. If you want, I'll give the prompt. I'm like thinking like what's the word for it, the prompt in the description box down below, and basically you're going to bring the image in the halo.ai itself. You're going to give that prompt, and then it's going to make it look like an influencer stepping out of that product and showing it to you guys. But that is pretty much it. Unfortunately, I can't show you the final result, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.